Today, let's learn about the Malta Skill Pass. We had already covered pre-departure course in previous video. If you had missed it, check the link, which is also available in the description below. People who wants to apply for employment in hospitality and tourism industry accept 3 positions: housekeeping room attendant, kitchen helper, kitchen porter, and also for the sectors like sales, construction, beauty, and many more. In today's video, I should not miss mentioning one important point. The 3 courses from the pre-departure are also included along with another 3 courses in Skill Pass for Phase 1. Once the registration process is done, you need to select tourism after completing phase verification. If you want complete information regarding registration process, please comment down below. Now, in the portal, you can pay €245 by card. Once the payment is completed, you can access 3 mandatory bundles: living and integrating in Malta, right and obligation in the workplace, English speaking assessment. After completing the final exam, for these 3, you need to pay €230 and you can access 2 more mandatory bundles, which includes basic customer care, basic Maltese tourism product care. After completing the final exam for these 2, you can access the catalog to choose your occupation bundle, the position you are going to apply for. Once all the above 6 final exams are completed, you will receive a confirmation email for Phase 1 completion. Then book a VFS appointment for Phase 2. You will receive confirmation of the VFS booking by email. Visit VFS on the given date and time for the Phase 2 interview. Finally, you will receive the Skill Pass certificate. I hope you got basic knowledge about this course. Good luck for your Malta journey.